Welcome back, dear students. So we are doing chapter 20, area of a trapezium and a polygon, and we have already started exercise 20a. So let's continue with the very same exercise. So the formula that we are going to use are on the screen, right? So you are already familiar with the formula in the last class. So today we'll be beginning with question number 6. It is given that the base and height of a triangle are in the ratio 5:3. So given is base is to height. Okay, so the ratio between base and height is given to be 5:3. Okay, so in this case what we'll do is we'll take base is equals to, so base is given to be 5, so we'll take base to be 5x, and the unit they are using here is meter square, so that's why base will be 5x meter, and your height, so your height is going to be equals to 3x. Okay, so 3x meter. Now what is given to us? If the area of the triangle, so area of the triangle is given to be how much? It is given to be 67.5 meters square, right? Now what's the formula for area of a triangle? Remember, we have been given base and height. So if I have base and height, then my area becomes this one, right? So this is my area, half into base into height, which is given to be 67.5. Can I write this as 675 by 10? Can I do that? Yes. So we have, see here carefully, so we have half into base. Base is how much? It is 5x. Okay, height is given to be 3x. So this is equals to, see here, we have 675 upon 10, right? So we'll keep only the variables here. So we get x into x is x square. So we'll take all the numbers to the right hand side. So we have 675. 2 goes to the numerator, gets multiplied. We already have 10 here. Okay, so we already have 10. Okay, so this 5 and 3 goes to the denominator. Okay, so do the cancellation. After cancellation, it should turn out to be 9. So x square is 9 means what? So it means that x is root over 9, which is 3. Okay, so we got the value of x. Now you are asked to find the value of what? You are asked to find the value of base and height. So therefore your base will be, base is how much? Base is given to be 5x, right? So 5 into x, x is how much? X is 3. So 5 into 3, which is 15 meter. So this is your base and your height. Okay, so your height is going to be 3x. So 3 into x is 3. So 3 3s are 9. So this becomes your answer for this case. Alright, you may pause the video and note down your solution. Let's move to next question, question number 8. So it is given that the area of a triangle, area of an equilateral triangle is numerically equal to its perimeter. Okay, so given is for an equilateral triangle, your area is numerically equal to perimeter. Okay, so if you look at the question number 7, there in your book, hint is given to you. Okay, so in hint, the formula for area is given to be root 3 by 4 into side square. So this is the formula for finding area, and this is equals to perimeter, and the formula for finding perimeter is 3 into side. Okay, now see here carefully. So we have, you can cancel this side and side. Okay, so you get here just side. Okay, so just side is left, so bring this 4, so you get 12 by root 3. This root 3 goes to the denominator. Remember, 4 into 3 is 12 and root 3 goes to the denominator. Okay, now here what I'll do is I'll multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3. So let's see what do we get from this. So if I do that, we get the value side to be 12 by, okay, so 12 into root 3 is 12 root 3 by, okay, root 3 into root 3 is 3, right? So 3 and 12 gets cancelled, right? So your side turns out to be 4 root 3. Is that clear, everyone? Okay, so the value of side is 4 root 3. Now you are asked to find the perimeter correct to, just wait a minute, let me check your question. So you have to find correct to 2 decimal place. Okay, so here something is missing, so it is correct to 2 decimal places. You have to find that. So let's see. So therefore your perimeter, so first and foremost, let's see what will be your perimeter. So perimeter will be equals to 3 into side, that is the formula. So we have 3 into side, side is 4 root 3. So this is equals to 4 3s are 12, so it is 12 root 3. So this is the value of your perimeter, but you have to find your perimeter correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so for that what you need to do is you need to find the value of root 3 using division method. Okay, so I hope you remember how to find. Okay, so what you do is you do this, right? Okay, so you have to do the division by division method. I'm sorry, you have to find the square root using division method. So it will be 1, this 1. Okay, so it will, you have to add 1 here, so you get 2. So 1 into 1 is 1, right? So it will be 2, and we reach the decimal, put a decimal, these 2 comes down, so you get 200, right? Okay, so next, how much should I write? So next, shall I write 7? Okay, so let's see how much do we get here. So if I write 7, so 7 into 27 will be 189. Okay, so 7 is there, so we will add 7. So 7 plus 27 will be 34. So we will subtract 189 from, we'll subtract 189 from 200, you get 11. Okay, so we'll bring this double zero, so it will be this much, right? All right, now next will be, how much should I put? See, we have already done this earlier. Okay, so let me write 3. So if I write 3, I need to write 3 here also. So it will be, so 3 into 343. Okay, so when you multiply these two, you get 1029. You get 1029. Okay, so since they are talking about 2 decimal places, we will discard the other things. Okay, so we will discard the denominator, the remainder also, because we are not interested with the remainder. We are just interested with this quantity. Okay, so that means, what is the value of root 3? The value of root 3 turned out to be, so 12 into root 3 is 1.73, right? So multiply 1.73 with 12, you get your answer to be 20.76. okay, so this is your perimeter, and it is, perimeter is given to be in, okay, so unit is not given, so just write unit. Okay, so your perimeter of the equilateral triangle is going to be 20.76 unit. All right, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so we have yet another question, a very important question, because here what you need to do is you have to draw a diagram. So a field is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. So quadrilateral means four-sided, closed four-sided figure, and the measurements are also given. But among the measurements here, what is given is angle A is 90 degrees. So first and foremost, let's construct a 90-degree angle. Okay, this is rough diagram, so no need to worry. So this is my A. Okay, so this is going to be my A, because this is 90 degree, right? Okay, now you can construct some random quadrilateral from here. Okay, so let me construct a quadrilateral in this way. Okay, so we have a quadrilateral constructed in this way. So you can write B here, you can write C, and you can write D here. This is just a rough diagram. So it is given that AB, so AB is 18 meter, so this 18 meter. Okay, next is side AD, AD is this one, this is given to you 24 meter. BC, okay, so BC is given to 40 meter. Angle DC is given to be 50 meter. Okay, and is there anything else given? AB is given, AD is given, right? Okay, so that's all is given to you. So you need to find the area of the field. Okay, so you need to find the area of the field. So for that, what we'll do is, see here carefully, we'll join these two lines first. Okay, so I'm sorry, we will join these two lines first, these 2 points. So when you join, you get this particular thing. Now I want you to observe this particular triangle. This particular triangle. What kind of triangle is this? Is this a right angled triangle? Yes. So will you be able to see? Basically, if I join these two, I'll get a right angled triangle. Okay, so we know what is AB and we know what is AD. So will I be able to find BD using Pythagoras theorem, which you have learned in class 7, right? Okay, so in triangle, so we have in triangle, which triangle is this? So ABD. So let's say in triangle ABD, using Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, we have BD square, hypotenuse square, that is BD square is equals to AB square plus AD square, AB square plus AD square. So this is your Pythagoras theorem that you have learnt in your junior class or class 7. Now let's quickly find out the value of BD. Okay, so we have AB square. So AB is how much? AB is 18, so it becomes 18 square plus AD square. AD square is 24 square. Okay, so quickly evaluate this. So 18 square, quickly calculate 18 square. It turns out to be 324. Okay, similarly 24 square will be 576, right? So it is 576. So add them up, you get 900. So that is BD square is 900. So therefore your BD will be equals to square root of 900, which is exactly 30. So that means the value of this BD is how much? It is exactly 30 meter. Okay, so I don't have space here, you may just pause the video and note down till here. Okay, so just now you have noted down that BD is 30 meter. Now look at this diagram and this diagram. Aren't they two triangles? Yes, so we have got two triangles whose each sides are known, right? So for example, in triangle, so let's say in triangle ABD again. Okay, so if I call this to be my base, okay, so base is 18 meter, then what will be the height? This will be the height, okay, because this is your 90 degree, remember? Okay, so this will be your height. So your height is 24 meter. So therefore area, so I'm finding area of triangle ABD, remember? So area will be half into base into height. Okay, so we have half into base. How much is base? Base is 18 meter. Okay, don't write meter for now. And height is 24. Okay, so height is, just wait a minute. So height is 24. Now unit is going to be meter square, right? So these two goes off. So 9 into 24. Okay, so we have 9 into 24 will be 216. Okay, so that means the area of this triangle. Okay, so the area of this triangle turns out to be 216. Okay, so let me just write down the area here. So this will be 216 meters square. Now we are going to find what is the area of this particular triangle. Okay, so let me quickly find out, or rather let me leave this work to you only, because we have 3 sides given to us. Just wait a minute. So we have okay, so we have in triangle, I'll just do half part of this. So in triangle we have BCD. Okay, so in triangle BCD, so the 3 sides are given, right? So A, B and C, let's say. Okay, so we have A is given to be 40 meter, B is given to be 50 meter, and C is given to be 30 meter, right? A, B and C is given. So therefore your S semi-perimeter will be A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, A is 40, B is 50, C is 30, right? Divided by 2. So add them up. So you get 80, 120, 60, right? So you get 60 meter to be your S semi-perimeter, right? Okay, now what you will do here is, I found S. So if you find area of this triangle, okay, so you find area of triangle using Heron's formula. Okay, so you'll find area using Heron's formula, and all of you know the Heron's formula. It is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, so find out the area. So I don't know how much is this going to be. So find out the area. So that's why after that what you'll write is area of quadrilateral ABCD will be equals to, so first we founded the area, this area which is 216. You have to add that area to the area of this which you find here. Okay, so add that number, you will get your final answer. So this is how we need to do this sum. So you may pause the video and note down your solution. Let's have the last question. I'll just do half part of this again. So here what is given is lengths of the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 4:5:3. So 3 sides are in this ratio. That is given is 3 sides are represented as A, B and C, right? So A is to B is to C is given to be 4:5:3. Okay, so in this case what we'll do is we'll take A equals to 4x, B equals to 5x and C equals to 3x. Simple, right? Now it is given that perimeter, right? So perimeter is 96 centimeter. So what is the formula for perimeter? It is A plus B plus C. Okay, so A plus B plus C is 96. A is 4x, B is 5x and C is 3x. So this is 96. So add them up. So you get 12x to 96. So what will be the value of x from here? It will be 96 by 12. Yes. So we have 96 by 12 is how much? It is exactly 8, right? So we got the value of x to be 8. So that's why we say therefore our A is 4x, x is 8. So it is 32, right? So it's 32 centimeter in fact, because the perimeter is given in centimeter. Similarly B will be 5x, that is 5 into 8, which is 40 centimeter, and your C will be 3x, right, which is 24 centimeter. Now see, we got the value of A, B and C. You are asked to find the area. Obviously you'll find area using Heron's formula. Okay, so after that you will complete by yourself. So with this we close for the day. Thank you very much.